Welcome to unboxing the Veymax X3 Pro with us. Veymax X3 Pro is the best beginner electric skateboard with a reasonable price. Let's see what's inside the box. First, put the board aside. This is the toolkit. We have the user manual of Veymax X3 Pro. The manual is very complete with all accessories and operating instructions. And then we have the remote control. To start the remote control, press and hold the power button for more than 3 seconds. After a slight vibration, the display will light up. Turn off the remote control. Also press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Next up is the charger for the electric skateboard. Connect the plug to the power supply, then connect to the charging port of the skateboard. When the charger shows red, it means it is charging. A full charge takes 2.5 hours. This is T-tool, which is used to adjust the tightness of the nut. The above is the content of the accessory box, and the next step is the main event. This is Veymax X3 Pro. It's so beautiful. The direction of the arrow value indicates that this is the position of the front wheel of the skateboard. This part is the motor, which is also the driving system of the skateboard. This part is the battery from Samsung. The front and rear of the X3 Pro are also equipped with anti-collision plates. This is the deck part, consisting of 2-ply bamboo plus 2-ply Canadian maple plus 2-ply fiberglass. The arc of the board conforms to ergonomics, and it is more flexible to control the steering. Fully upgraded size, wider footroom. The board is 37.8 inches long and 9.8 inches wide. The size of the tire is 105/65. The hardness is 78A, which makes your skateboard more durable. The X3 Pro has a top speed of 29 miles per hour. Let you fly in the city without worrying about battery life. "18 miles on a full charge." Welcome to our unboxing video. I believe X3 Pro is the best choice for novice players. See you next time. Don't forget to give us a subscription and like.